enjoyed your ride on Thunderhead. When your train comes to a complete stop, push down, then pull up on your lap bar, exit to the left. Don't forget your loose arms and have a great evening at Dollywood. Holding gate. If your row is taken, we will get you on this very next ride, guys. Come on in, new riders. Store any and all loose items in those green bins or leave them with a non-rider. Gates are closing, please stay clear. Once you're seated, make sure the seatbelt is buckled across both riders. Dropping lap bars. If you're ready for the wildest ride in the woods, make some noise. Let the thunder roll.